So what's an elephant say? What's a monkey say? What's a bird say? Caw, caw. Can you say it? Caw, caw. Very good. What's a lion say? Very good. Can you say mama? You say mama. You say dada. Can you dance? Can you dance? Dance.
You do a fish face? Fishy? What's a fishy say?
Alright, tell us one more time. What does an elephant say? What's an elephant say? Very good. Can you say hi? Very good. Can you say mama?
Mama.
You say dada?
Dada.
Very good. Where's your eyes? Good girl. Where's your nose? Where's Tears' nose? Can you smell? Where's your ear? Good girl. Where's your hair? You are so smart. Can you stick out your tongue? Good girl. Where's your nose? Nose? Well, that's your ear, silly. Where's your nose? Smell. Oh, there's your nose. Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses? Can you say bye-bye? You want your water? Here, let's get your water. You say ta. Goodness. Oh. Tears, what's a chicken say? Bark, 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 bark. Can you say it? What's a chicken say? Very good. What's a monkey say? Ooh, ah. Can you smile? Good girl. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Good girl. Where's your foot? Good girl. Where's your hand? Good girl. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, you're so sweet. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say boo-boo? Say boo-boo. Yay! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mama.